Ladies and gentlemen, this is Shetty here from SUDE Bangalore and SUDE Pune and Sdtork Controls Private Limited Pune. Since its existence in 1989, we have been developing products from one line to other line. Very successfully, we have achieved most of the results, and we are very keen to introduce all our products in your area of application also. The very useful application which is called Chloro-Alkali service. Now here, if you see here, we have a glass valve. We will show you. We have PVC valve. We have ultra high density, high polythene valve. We have PVDF valve. We have polypropylene valve. Now here, if you see, we will show the demo to you right now. But try to understand what is Chloro-Alkali service valve. Now, Chloro-Alkali service is basically a acid media, any media where metals are unsuitable. Even the metals are suitable also, the cost of it is very high. The cost comparison is almost 10 times or 20 times bigger than the plastic valves. So this is the answer for your application for Chloro-Alkali service. You please this is Chloro-Alkali service valve, where we have a valve, glass valve, we have PVC valve, we have PVDF valve, we have solenoid valves also, and we have glass valve there. You can see here, where we will show the demo to you. This size we have from, this is 3/4 inch size, we have to 4 inches. Basically, this is used for pickling application. Now, in a steel plant, what happens? Any steel waste which has many chemical impurities, to clear that, pickling solution is passed. Pickling solution is passed through this, and all waste of steel pallets, steel waste which people are collecting from the different corner of the world, different corner of the industries, that is being taken by steel plant industries as an input. And then they clean it with the pickling solution, and then they send it for melting it so that they can use it for a metal formation along with the other metals. Very useful valve in many metal industries, where these valves are used extensively, successfully. In Indonesia, this is very common. In India, people like JSW has already started using it, and we hope in India, this also will run from industries to industries, like how it has happened in Indonesia. Now, once again, we move here. The Chloro-Alkali product, Chloro-Alkali service. As I explained about glass valve, now you please come here. It is PVC valve. You can operate through hand operated, and here this gives the indication the valve is open or closed. Once again, this is a smaller size. Once again, this is a metal one, which is also some industries use it. This is lined with Teflon or EPDM, backed by Teflon, or even we can line with the Haplon based on your application. This is a PVDF pneumatic operated. I can give this PVDF electrical operated too. And see here, this is motorized. I have given the power to close it. So this is a motorized valve, plastic valve, very useful in water industries, very useful in chemical industries. Very important of this, we supply a lot of such valves to the water industries, where people take the rainwater which is saved in a tank, storage tank, and this gets converted to a drinking water with the help of all this valve. You can see this here, this is all same valve, motorized valve with a different size. This is the motorized valve. Once again, electrically actuated, and if you want to operate, you can operate manually by keeping this in manual mode operation. See, he is operating it. Just remove this one. Now you can see valve is operating manually. You can see this, the valve is operating manually. Okay, now same thing we can give with the pneumatic. Yeah, now this is the final topic. Now if you see here, this is a small solenoid valve. It can be used for various applications. It's economical, but you can't use for many applications. You have to consult us that whether you can use this for chemical or alkali solution. Here, this is the most beautiful valve. The Teflon valves, Teflon body for acid application, driven by solenoid valve. Right from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch we have. That's a different size. This is a 1/2 inch valve. Once again, this is nylon valve, very economical valve, where in the process industries also you can use it. Now here if you see, these valves, we have to 2 inch sizes. Even we have made 2.5 inch also. We are planning to make up to 4 inches. Very useful for irrigation purpose. Irrigation where people are looking for very economical valves, and you can think of us. And also, these particular valves you can use in a process media also, where brass body valves are costing very high money. You can think of this. Now, this is the PVC valve, where if you need only PVC, not the nylon, then you can think of this. This also, once again, we have to 3 inch sizes. Do approach us, and it is available in 24 volt DC and 230 AC. These are another size. You can see this is 2 inch size. And now I am moving to the working of it. See here, this is a PVDF valve with a dome actuator. See here, it is open. Valve is open. Yes, valve is open. Close. All this I can give with the Profibus and Modbus also. All this pneumatic valve or motorized valve can be given in Profibus and Modbus. Of course, this is the electrical actuator. We have shown the demo to you. Now we will show the demo for glass valves. Now here if you see, the glass valve with electrical actuator has been discussed for pickling application. Now if you see here, we are giving 5 milliamps. Where the valve is, it will give the indication. I'll give now 8 milliamps. Where the valve is, it is 25%. Once again, I'll go to 12 milliamps. Now here if you see, this valve is opening now. You can see the moment it goes up. Now here, the flow is passing like this. And today, in the normal industries, we have given this valve for vacuum duty. Very useful for vacuum duty application also. Now, we are going for 16 milliamp. You can see here how much valve is open by 75%. It will go to 75% and it will get closed. Here the baby sits at 75%. So this I can give you 3 inches size, even 4 inch size is under development. So operation repeats when it goes to 20 milliamps, it will be full open, and operation repeats while going in a reverse direction also. And here the most beautiful thing is the motor what we have here, we import. That's very special type of motor, which can even use for 300 seconds from full close to full open and full open to full close. Very good motor, which is made in Poland, and we import this because we tried to develop it in India, but such motors could not be developed. So this is the motor, is very specific motor, all the time available. We always maintain a stock of 10,000 pieces per annum. Here now I go to say 8 milliamp. It will stop at 25%. Now here you see 25%. Now I go to 4 milliamp. Now the valve get closed. Now here, visit our website www.sudebangalore.com, and where our contact details are there. For this valve, please refer to 6600 series for this one, and for all this please refer our 125, 1268, 135, 1368 series, where it is PVC, PVDF with pneumatic actuator, with electrical actuator, with three-phase actuator, PVDF body, PVC body. We have three-way ball valve also up to 2 inch sizes. We have this design, you can go for this. This is glass one, and we have plastic rotary actuator also. That is in nylon 66 actuators. This is aluminum, this is stainless steel, this is high temperature actuators. So this particular thing which is coming under chloro-alkali valves, this actuators also we can give. So please, thank you very much for listening, and we are very eager to have your inquiry. Do let us know. We are sure we can be a successful partner for your growing organization. Thank you very much.
If you find this video informative, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get all latest engineering updates in the field of damper valve automations and actuators, which is being used in various industries including defense and nuclear. Also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. Thanks for listening, and thank you very much.